Hi, this is an introduction to Kroxylicious, the snappy open source proxy for Apache Kafka. So, are you using Apache Kafka? It's a very powerful tool, but as your system grows, you've probably hit a few challenges. Maybe you need to enforce security policies across dozens or hundreds of applications. Or perhaps you need to ensure data is valid before it even hits your cluster. So, what's the traditional solution for making one of these policy changes? You might have to go back and update every single application, every microservice written in a variety of technologies like Java, Go, and Python. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's a huge headache to coordinate with all of these teams and applications. And you definitely don't want to mess with your stable Kafka cluster, which is this high-load backbone for your system. So, what if there was a better way? Boom! Enter Kroxylicious. This is Kroxylicious. It's an open source, protocol-aware proxy for Apache Kafka that solves these problems without you changing a single line of your application code. You can think of it like a smart gatekeeper for your Kafka traffic. Your applications no longer talk directly to Kafka, instead they talk to Kroxylicious and it talks to Kafka on their behalf. This process is completely transparent. Your clients and your Kafka cluster don't even know that Kroxylicious is there. There are no new libraries to install. It just works with any client and any Kafka deployment. So, how does this magic work? The magic is a concept we call filters. So, filters are like pluggable behaviors that live inside the proxy. They can inspect, transform, or even block messages as they flow through the proxy. For example, you could use a filter to automatically encrypt sensitive data in messages from any application. Or use another filter to reject malformed data, which will prevent it from impacting consumers downstream. And these filters are composable. You can chain them together like Lego blocks to create exactly the workflow you need. Do you want to validate your data and then encrypt it? Just build a filter chain. You can use our pre-built filters or easily write your own. So, where should you go next to learn more? Head over to our website at kroxylicious.io to access our documentation and get your hands on the proxy. Thank you for listening.